Decided Klarna isn't for you and want to permanently close your account? In this guide, I'll walk you through the important steps to securely delete your Klarna account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Closing an account is a significant step, and it's important to do it correctly. I'll make sure you know exactly what to expect. First and foremost, there's one golden rule: you must pay off your entire balance. This is non-negotiable. Klarna will not allow you to close an account that has any active purchases, pending payments, or an outstanding balance. So, before anything else, log in and ensure your balance is zero. The main way to close your account is through the Klarna app. Open the app and go to your profile. Navigate to Settings or Help. Look for an option like Close My Account or Delete Account. If you find it, the app will guide you through a few confirmation steps. However, this option isn't always available in the app. If you can't find it, don't worry, the next step is to contact Klarna support directly. You can do this through the in-app chat function or by sending them an email. Clearly state that you wish to permanently close your account. You will need to verify your identity for security purposes. Support will likely ask you to confirm details like your email address and possibly the last 4 digits of your phone number or SSN. This is to protect your account from being closed by someone else. Once submitted, request a confirmation email. This is your proof that you initiated the closure. Klarna will then process your request, and your personal data will be deleted in accordance with their privacy policy. It's a straightforward process, but it requires you to be debt-free with them first. If this guide brought you clarity, please give it a like. Thinking of switching to a different service? I'd be curious to hear your thoughts in the comments. For our next tutorial on using Klarna with your mobile wallet, subscribe to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.